What's that?
Is there any oil on the tailgate?
Yeah, there's oil on the tailgate. Good morning, everybody. Happy Independence Day. Hope everybody has a great and safe day. Hope everybody's been having a good weekend. It's pretty dry and hot here, so Charlie and I are out here kind of early. Charlie just woke up. She's kind of tired, but that's all right. We've got a we got a special box here from the wild man John Hudson and his wonderful wife Dana to TazMan and Lil Taz. So yeah, we're gonna open it up. You wanna cut the tape? Or you want me to cut the tape? You want me to cut the tape?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll cut the tape. Is there something else you wanna show everybody on the channel today? We can do it after this, but you can go grab it and we'll show it to everybody. Or you want? No, you got to be here for this, Charlie. Sorry.
It's another box.
You gotta save the address. We need to make a scrapbook, Charlie. Of all the addresses and all the people. All that good stuff. That nice sharp, Charlie.
Yeah.
Not bad for a Walmart special, is it?
It's supposed to be mine.
What do we got here, Charlie? We got a little bit of bubble wrap for you to pop around. Put that away. What do we got? Look at that, Charlie. Oh gosh, that's awesome. Oh, nuh-uh. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. I'm terrible at this. Can you see that? I hope so. Oh my gosh. Look at that. TazMan. We rolling. Oh, look at that, Charlie. What's this? Koozie? Hud's Hobby Room koozie. That'll be fitting for today. Drink my ginger ale with that, huh? What do we got here? Oh, we got decals. Look at those cool decals. Hud's Hobby Room. Can you see that? Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, those are going to look sweet on the old Yoder. Oh, one of those might have to go on a chainsaw.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at that. That's super cool. I love decals. I'm a decal freako.
Okay.
As you can see, my back window of the Yoder. Here, let's get a closer up look at that for a second. See that? Yeah. Yep. I'm a decal freak. I love them. I love them. All right. So here we go. I can't believe you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. I'm getting rid of that hat. This is going to be my Independence Day hat probably today, huh? Oh, look at that. It even fits right out of the box. Fits handy dandy, right? Oh, yeah. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, anyway. Thank you guys very much. This is super cool. I love this. I love this kind of stuff. I love it. I love all of it. But this kind of stuff is, and I'll be representing Hud's Hobby Room for sure. I just love you guys. You're so much fun. It's all just a blast. All the mac and cheese Monday and everything, and all your kindness and all your guys' support is just amazing. And so if you haven't gone over to see John Hudson or Dana Hudson's channel, go see him. Go see them. Go be part of that. Go enjoy their fun. It's a blast. So, Charlie's got a birthday coming up on the 21st. July 21st is how she used to say it when she was little.
17 days from now.
But she's still little to me. So check this out. Check out this new Hot Rod BMX bike she got. Yeah, when we went and picked it up, I was riding it around the store. You know, you got to check it out. You got to make sure that it's safe and the tires ain't going to fall off, right? Yep. Got some more of these buddy pegs fixed up for her, painted up and all that fancy stuff. We haven't put them on yet. We got to figure out how to get them to go on there, but we'll manage to get that figured out. So yeah, there's Charlie's new hot rod bike that we gave to her for an early birthday present. This is awesome. This is awesome. You guys rock. You guys all rock. Yeah. Oh, there they are. There they are. Charlie wants to show off her hot rod red buddy pegs. They're off her old bike. I just spray painted them up with some high-tech paint that I used to have for painting stuff on my snowmobile.
They used to be pink.
Red. Oh, goodness sakes. It's like Polaris red. Yeah. So, yeah, Charlie, you gotta try your hat on here. Look at that. Little Taz. Oh, that is just too cool. Look, she's got high heels on and everything, Charlie. Does it fit?
Not really.
Don't fit? Well, let's make it fit. Oh, this is awesome. Charlie, we got new hats.
Yeah. I got new pegs.
Oops. Is that too much?
I like my hats a little silent.
Oh, it's folded over. That's too loose. We'll get it. We'll get it. Boy, that's a nice hat, Charlie.
Yeah.
These are super nice hats. Got to get that bill curled up for you. Can't be having no flat bill. There, dude. Yeah, that's a nice summer hat too. It's breathable. Nice. Oh, that's awesome. I know. That's awesome. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining in all of our fun and shenanigans and saw videos, axe videos, and all that fun stuff. Like I said, I hope everybody has a safe and great Independence Day. Everybody take care. Be safe. And be kind. TazMan
and Little Taz
are rolling. We rolling.
I'm an alien.
Let's walk over here. A little bit of view there. Got a little bit of smoke in the air, not much. The spirit fire is pretty quiet today. But just know that my spirit fire is burning for everybody that's out there. Love you all. Be kind.